Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Merciful to us. I can tell you on my own that we never believed this could happen. But thank God for giving us hope, for giving us the resilience to continue in the race of life. Asiwaju is 71, I'll be 63.
Okay.
I bet I will be one of the oldest first ladies Nigeria would have. We need the grace of God, and we need everyone to do what Nigerians are expecting. Today, God has really proved himself, as he did on the night of the primaries, and put his seal on it. Because when I saw votes count to be 1,271, I said, God, it means you are here. I was humbled to my rock bottom. And to believe that this is the 7th consecutive democratic transition that Nigeria will be experiencing, that shows that this is a time for perfection for Nigeria. Perfection in the sense that the word of God, I remember for over 2 years, we've been praying in our churches, according to Isaiah 43, verses 18 to 19, that we should not remember the former things, that God is going to do a new thing. A new thing came, and we still kept arguing with God. Who can argue with his maker? No one. And I know in Ecclesiastes, chapter 3, verse 14, God said, whatsoever I do it is for